Hey everyone, Brandon Boyd here. I want to show you how powerful the new SwipeCoin product is, the simplicity of how to use it. So what you want to do is, I like to put the SwipeCoin app and MetaTrader 4 right next to each other on the phone. So you want to make sure that you put those two apps together. So we're looking at SwipeCoin here. Once you're logged in, of course, you have to be a member of the company, subscribing to the SwipeCoin services. I want to show you the simple steps on how to actually use this app and how it can be of profit to you. So here we are, an alert has come through. An alert will pop up just like a text message, and all you do is you can either swipe it or you can click the button that has the check mark. Once we do that, it's going to show the trade information. You're going to see the chart at the top, and then you're going to see what pair that we're looking for. So in this case, EOU or EOS USD. All right. So what we want to do is we want to go to our MetaTrader 4 app. You should have it pulled up, MetaTrader 4. And you're going to click on trade. Now this is on an iPhone, so it'll be a little bit different on an Android, but at the bottom left, it says quotes. That's where you're going to find the pairs we're looking for. So you can see towards the bottom, it has EOS USD. You want to click on that to bring up the actual menu that says trade. So you want to click on trade because this is where you're actually going to enter a trade. Now, this is the screen that's going to pop up where you can see market execution at the top. This is the screen that we want, all right? So now what we do is we go back to the SwipeCoin app. So you're going to go back to the trade that it showed. You can see where it says pair again. We're going to look at the trade type and order type. See where it says buy limit? Now we know that the type of order is a buy limit. Then you have entry price number 1. That's what we're going to look for. So what you want to do is the icon to the right, all the way to the right on entry price 1, is we want to click on that. So now you've copied it, because again, we're going to copy and paste. So we've copied the entry price 1. We go back to your MetaTrader 4 app. So go back and open up MetaTrader 4 to the trade and see where it says buy limit. What you're going to do is you're going to click on that. So click on buy limit, and that's going to bring it up as now buy limit, which is a pending order. All right. And next, what we want to do is we actually want to put the price in. So any numbers are there, just get rid of them, and you can literally copy and paste. So press down the screen and hit paste, or you can even type in the numbers. It's easiest if you just copy and paste them in there. All right, so now we got the entry price. All right, so now we go back to the SwipeCoin app, and you're going to look at, see where it says stop loss? On stop loss to the right, again, click that icon. That's going to copy it. So now we've copied it. We go back to the MetaTrader 4 app and see where it says stop loss. You're going to want to punch those numbers in there. So you get rid of the current numbers and you put in 5.49 in this case. All right. So now we've got the stop loss in there. Pretty simple. Now what we're looking for is take profit 1. So take profit 1. Again, you click the icon to the right. You copy that and you go back to the MetaTrader 4 app. See where it says take profit. And you just literally get rid of the numbers again, and you copy or you just paste those numbers in from the SwipeCoin app. All right. So now you've got all your numbers in. You got the entry price, the stop loss, and you also have the take profit as well. All right. Now you want to make sure that all those numbers are confirmed. And in this case, for the buy limit, let's say that I had $1,000 in my account balance. At the top, see where under buy limit says 0.01. So typically, you might see that if you have $1,000 in your account, put 0.01 as your lot size, which is your risk. Okay, you're going to see that inside of the SwipeCoin app, 0.01 per $1,000 in your account for crypto. Okay, so we leave it at 0.01. All right, so make sure that you follow the risk management that is given as a recommendation by the SwipeCoin app. All right, so now once you've actually hit place, see where the button says place, you click on that. It's going to take you to the trade tab, and now you can see the orders. This is a pending order. The numbers are going to be black. As soon as that trade hits the entry, it's either going to go red or blue. That's when you'll know that the trade is now active. So very, very simple. Now, when you go back to the SwipeCoin app, you'll see that it has entry price 2, take profit 2. That means that you can put in a trade a second time. So I would just repeat the process that I just showed you with entry price 2, stop loss, and take profit 1, or take profit 2 in this case, okay? If it was an instant execution, you're going to see where instead of saying buy limit, it might say sell by market or buy by market. that means that you instantly get in the trade and just leave it as market execution. All right, very, very simple. So again, you can put this particular trade in 2 times using the same lot size because you have a second entry price and you also have a take profit too, and then you just use the same stop loss. So guys, this is how you use the SwipeCoin app. Very, very simple. You just copy and paste exactly the information they've given to you. If you need a review, just go back, watch this video again, and repeat the process. So guys, this is how you use SwipeCoin. Best wishes to your success.